The 2025 Range Rover represents the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in the SUV market. Designed by Land Rover, it combines traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation. The exterior maintains the iconic Range Rover silhouette, but with cleaner lines, flush door handles, and a minimalist aesthetic that reflects sophistication and strength. Its refined presence is matched by a high-performance capability, offering various engine options including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, ensuring both power and improved fuel efficiency. Inside, the 2025 model delivers exceptional comfort and luxury. The cabin is adorned with premium materials such as soft leather, real wood veneers, and metal accents. Seats are ergonomically designed with massage, heating, and cooling functions. The infotainment system features a curved touchscreen, advanced voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Rear passengers benefit from entertainment displays, individual climate zones, and ample legroom. Safety and driver assistance technologies are state-of-the-art, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and automated parking. Off-road capabilities remain core to the Range Rover's identity, with terrain response systems and all-wheel drive allowing it to tackle rough terrains effortlessly. Additionally, the 2025 Range Rover focuses on sustainability. Recycled materials and lower-emission powertrains align with environmental concerns without sacrificing luxury or performance. With its blend of elegance, innovation, and rugged ability, the 2025 Range Rover stands out as a top choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience that adapts to both urban and off-road environments.